Former Member of Parliament for Western St. Mary, the PNP's Jolyan Silvera, has been slapped with an additional charge in relation to the murder of his wife, Melissa. On Saturday, it was revealed that Silvera is now also facing a charge of using a firearm to commit a felony. The additional charge saw him appearing before the Circuit Division of the Gun Court last Thursday. The charge raises questions as to whether the former legislator's murder trial will be heard in open court, as gun court matters are usually heard in camera. Prosecutors are awaiting the result of a ballistics test on Silvera's licensed firearm. The defense has indicated that once it receives that report, it will be able to make a determination on bail. Melissa Silvera was initially reported to have died from natural causes in November last year. The matter was upgraded to a murder investigation after an autopsy revealed bullet fragments inside her body. Silvera wept at his wife's funeral. A little over a week later, he was arrested and charged with her murder.